Sanibonani bafowethu, uMgatsheni lo. Namhlanje sithi le ibheke kahle kulabo abasafisa nabasakholelwa entweni yokushada, emshadweni, ukuthi umshado uyinto enhle. I think ibheke kakhulu kulabo bantu labo. Ungamind ishethi lami vele ngiya-afford ele million, but I cannot buy it because I prioritize different things. Yeah, you know. Right. So kulabo abasakholelwa entweni yokuthandana. Isikakhulu kahle namhlanje soqala ngabantu besifazana. Evidweni elandelayo sokhuluma ngabantu besilisa. Kune first 3 days yakho uhlangane nalo guy osukuhlangane naye lapha enisuke nihlangane khona, wherever, kusesontweni, kusemall, kusestradini. There are many places la ungahlangana khona ku social media. We understand. Right. So that first 3 days it's very important to behave ukuze ukwazi ukwakha isithombe esihle ngawe ukuthi uyipi inhlobo yomuntu. Ungahlangana nomuntu namhlanje kusasa sekubuza ukuthi unjani, usithi ngilambile, kuvuke unganagesi, anginamali. Uzakhela isithombe esibi. Why ngisho kanjalo? Ngenxa yokuthi sekukuningi ongamanga ukukhulunyiweyo. Abantu they don't trust anything. Noma ngenzeka kube ukuthi kunjalo kwenzekile vele awunayo imali, ugesi uhambile njengoba usisho. Kodwa ngenxa ye corruption esisezweni usungafaniswa nalabo abadlulile ukuthi yile nhlobo le ethengisayo. Ngoba mawusuthe wena awuna gas endlini yakho, uvuka ungenagesi, ihasi yakho iphelile, nemali yokuthi uthenge ukudla emsebenzini awunayo or endlini, whatever. Ngamanye amagama uyacela but indirect uthi ngicela ungiphi imali yokuthi ngidle. That is not a good time. Because into esisithini sithi this person is a beneficiary. He's not here to build. He want to come here and chow money. Yile nhlobo efuna ukuchawa imali and then go. Yabona leyo nto. Into esizokwenzakala kungenzeka akuphe imali ngoba naye iqiniso lithi uthando lusuke emehlweni. Angithi uyayibona intombi noma indoda uyithande ngokwamehlo ungakayithandi ngokwenhliziyo. Uthanda isakhiwo sayo, the look and indlela agqoke ngayo, whatever. Zihlukene izinto abantu ababuka, indlela ababuka ngayo izinto bathande ngayo. Not usuthanda ngolove, but usuthanda ngokubona. The time usuthande ngokubona sekumele lento ukwazi ukuyitshala ngaphakathi enhlizweni yalo muntu. For example, like mawuthe uyamthanda umuntu, you have to prove it. Akugcini ngokukhuluma. Kunemisebenzi okumele uyenze. You have to perform some duties that proves what you said and what you meant. Failure to that, amagama akho aphenduka abe ngamanga. What's going to happen after you said that? He can send you money because he's longing for whatever that is he has seen. Bona amathanga amahle, amabele and all that. Akusendela imali. Usazulisa naye azulise. Akubize endlini yakhe athi ngicela ungivakashele. Angithi sekubonile ukuthi no, you are not he cannot keep you. you are just a puff and pass material. Ngoba ujahe ama benefits. You don't want to build anything. You just want to benefit. Usayibuka ke ukuthi okay, let me respond ngendlela afuna ngayo aka benefit nami ngimuse stress siyiyeka lento because I cannot stand for this. So it's very important in that 3 days, if you really believe in marriage and you're still looking for somebody to marry you, your behavior must look different from amaslay queen nabantu abadayisayo, because you can't use the same routine but expect different results. It cannot work like that. You need to look different from what he has seen and from what didn't work for him out there. Because mawungahlanganisa, you can't mix same recipe and expect different results. It doesn't work like that. You need to change the way of doing. Different recipe and expect different results. So that first 3 days, it's very important, because if you prove yourself that I'm here to build, nakuba kuthiwa ube nengqondo ekhohlakele corrupt, ngoba amadoda corrupt ngeke sikufihle lokho, maningi corrupt. Kodwa remember ukuthi isintu sithi umuzi ngumfazi. A man can be convinced efike kuwe ethi uzodlala ubutsotsi athuke sekushadi. Why? Because ingqondo yakho ikwazi ukumconvince wabona ukuthi no, I have to keep this. This is one of the rare human beings out there. They understand. So if you still believe in marriage, present yourself different from people on the street. It's easy. The formula is very easy. Behave different from abantu basestradini, from abantu abadayisayo nabanjani njani. Wena be different. Yenza izinto njengomuntu ofuna ukwakha. Stop telling him your problems kusase early. Ngifuna imali enwele, angigesi wami uyaphela. Stop that. Qhubeka ngendlela obuphila ngayo. Ukwazi ukuthola inhliziyo yakhe. Qala. Uma usuyitholile inhliziyo yakhe, usunempande. Ayisekho imvula engawasha away that tree that you have planted. There's no rain. Noma ngafika imvula engakanani, now isihlahla sakho sinempande. Sinempande manje. The storm will be over and then isihlahla sakho sosala simile, which is uthando lwakho. So stop behaving like abantu basestradini. Lastly, sengivala. It is very important not to tell your boyfriend everything about yourself. Ngahlangana noguy wadlala ngami, ubaba wengane, ngahlangana nalo naye. No, don't. It's not about that. Because you're giving him a courage to say, oh, lo wadlala ngaye, nalo wadlala ngaye, nalo wadlala ngaye. Nani ngadlala ngaye. You attracting that spirit. Esasi ngenele empilweni yakho previously. You are inviting that spirit to this current relationship. Stop telling that boyfriend about those things. Fika nje ube ngumuntu nje oqondile. Xoxa nje ngempilo. Positive things nje. Kube kuhle. Ngabe uxoxa ukuthi lo wadla imali yakho, wamboleka imali, lo wamkweledela imoto, wabaleka. No. you'll be a victim again. You'll be a victim again. So siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu emakhaya. This is very important for people abasakholelwe emshadweni ukuthi uyinto enhle. If usafisa ukushada, take my advice, niye kuzisola. Siyabonga kakhulu, niphile emakhaya.